So I sit down, I'm chilling about to start work, and my phone rings, and I get this text. And I have to prepare and, make sure everything goes smoothly. Yo, what is going on, YouTube? We are at the car wash right now, and I'm about to show you guys exactly how to prep your C8 for a date, because I got a quick date in a couple hours. So I wanted to use this time just to talk about how and why I called my beautiful car Faith. So if this is your first time here, my name is C8 John. And before I had gotten the C8, I was actually driving a Camaro, which I had called her Hope. But yeah, I called, my C8 Faith because, every time I look at the car, every time I see the car, it just brings me a lot of joy and happiness. And it just, it's just like that mental reminder, like, hey, like, there's more to come, there's more great things and abundance to come in life, Sad times are temporary, So I feel as though it's super important to just always continue to be optimistic and continue to set goals and make steps towards achieving these goals. So Faith was the best name that I could have came up with, honestly. And every time I drive the car, every time I look at the car, every time I even as I'm editing these videos, that car just gives me faith. And yeah, it's just a daily reminder for me. Also, I'm not really sure which one of you have watched my one video, the truth about the C8 Corvette, the good, bad, and ugly. But, I have been through a lot with this car. So I feel as though, this car really is, I understand it's everything is materialistic, and this is also a materialist object, but, a lot of people won't understand just going through stuff when you, a certain thing or a certain physical object is your main outlet, like, I know women have their things and guys, we have our things too. So, I'm sure you can just, kind of think of something that you resort to for yourself. But for me, it's driving Faith and taking care of Faith, and because I feel as though it's also a reflection of myself, right? How you do one thing is honestly how you do everything in life. It's not like you can't really be a certain way with one thing and think that that mindset won't affect you in other ways in life. So yeah, I feel as though appearances do matter, and physical looks and everything does matter. So it's always nice to present yourself in the best way possible. And yeah, I just feel as though, getting Faith ready for this date and just always staying ready is important. So yeah, I really wanted to just explain that to you guys too. Plus, I'm sure you have something in your life that you cherish, it's one of your prized possessions, like you value it, and for me, it's obviously, definitely my car is one of them things, besides my puppy, right? But physical, materialistic thing is definitely my car. That is my favorite, most prized possession. But yeah, I'm not sure what else you guys have in mind, but yeah, for me, it's definitely that. And, I definitely am one to keep my car clean, but it really is a big thing to maintain cleanliness, not just within my car, but, within my home, within my rooms, just in my mind, right? Like I said earlier, the way you do one thing is how you do everything. So it's truly, really important to, just be aligned in when you're doing certain things, right? The way you work should honestly be the way you rest and the way you play and stuff like that, right? Your routine is what makes you, your habits is what makes you. So, I try to be very careful and mindful of the habits that I do pick up and the actions that I do act out. So yeah, it's very important just to move with intent, right? You don't want to just do stuff impulsively, because listen, impulsiveness is not good, right? You know, whatever decision making you have in mind, right? It's okay to make a decision and sit on it, right? It's okay to make a decision, have a plan, and wait, right? You are not behind, you're not lacking, you're being very, very intentional by waiting, because think about it, guys. In any sport, timing matters, right? In anything in life, timing matters. So, don't think of, you putting your head down, boots on the ground, and working and saving up, or just doing stuff or making certain decisions to put yourself in a position later to, be where you want to be. That's not lack. That is moving with intention. That is acting out. You are, moving with abundance. So I know, you're probably asking, why am I prepping the car like this? Why am I even prepping the car just to go on a date? Like, doesn't the car already look nice? Isn't it already clean? And yes and no. You're right, it might be ready, it might look nice, but it's important to never show up half prepared, to always be prepared. Like, preparation is key with anything in life. And in my experience, like, whether I was, building a certain business or trying to get a certain role or trying to be in a certain position in life, I would have to prepare. You have to prepare. You can't, this goes for your car, your fit, your energy, your mindset, your space, everything. You have to prepare. So this to me is, it's just a certain routine that gives me a certain feeling before a date. So, just puts me in the right mindset. So don't judge your boy. Don't judge your boy. It's like my little ritual before going out, right? Got the cologne, got the music, got the fit ready, everything to feel good. So yeah, that's exactly what it is like for me. And, I have been through certain things in my life that, I do not take anything for granted. I try to utilize and use everything to the fullest potential, right? I'm sure, each and every one of us has been through things in our life that we're like, man, I can never just overlook that or take it for granted anymore. So, yeah, if I'm going out, if I'm doing something, I'm going to do it to the fullest extent. I'm going to prepare for it, and I'm going to, execute, right? I'm not just, let me just do half of this or a little bit of that. No, I'm doing it fully to the fullest extent. And, I started, mind you guys, I've had this car for, about a year and a half now. So, and I've been obviously filming the car and taking videos, but I recently, and hold on, before I even get into it, I had got this car with the mindset that I would make content with it, but I was just so busy with my life and had so much other things planned and that I put on my plate, and certain things happened through my other actions. But I want to film all the great moments I have in my life, with this car, and with any other car actually. But yeah, I started trying to film these and just trying to, put myself out there. It's important to network. It's important to communicate. It's important to socialize with people, So, yeah, this kind of goes back into what I was saying about just not taking anything for granted. And, YouTube is something that I've been on YouTube for, for years, since at least 2010. So, dang, yeah, I've been on YouTube for 15 years, and, I'm just now going from the consumer watcher to now I'm a producer. Now I am, someone who actually makes content, so that's something that's very big for me. And it's crazy how it took me 15 years to to shift that mindset and to really say, I'm going to do this and I'm going to be consistent. And, I want other people to watch and enjoy and look forward to my content. So yeah, I really hope you guys love these videos, and let me know exactly what else, you know, I could do for that. But something that really motivates me is just myself and my family, you know. So I feel like that's just the even on the slow days, I'm trying to be here and trying to keep uploading and keep getting content and footage and B-rolls, whatever the case is. I want to be here for you all, and I want to also be able to document and, you know, just capture different versions of myself, because I am growing. We all are growing. We're all trying to be the best that we can be, right? So that also kind of goes back into what I was talking about before, right? Just doing things intentionally and moving with intention, and
yeah, guys,
just
so
not being impulsive about things, right? You have to think before you act.
Let's get these, I don't know. Well, friends and family, we are done. I think the wash came out marvelous.